Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Quiz. Today I am going to discuss 20 important questions on tissue culture. And on tissue culture, this is second part. Let's start. Question number 1. The collection of growing large number of isolated plant cells under sterile condition is called as, here the options are plant tissue culture, taxonomy, anatomy and physiology. Here the right answer is plant tissue culture. Then question number 2. Who is called as a father of plant tissue culture? Here the options are Haberland, Watson, Barbara and Crick. Here the right answer is option A, Haberland. Then question number 3. The instrument is necessary for drying the vasous glasses are, here the options are vacuum pump and hot air oven, heater and autoclave. Here the right answer is hot air oven. Then question number 4. The in vitro culture and maintenance of an excised organ, primordial or whole or part of an test culture. Here the options are anther, callus, organ and suspension culture. Here the right answer is organ culture. Then question number 5. The culture of excised radical tip of aseptically germinated seed is termed as test culture. Then the options are anther culture, root culture, pollen culture and embryo culture. Here the right answer is root culture, radical, root. Then question number 6. High cytokinin and low oxygen ratio induces, the options are shoot, root, germination, organ. Here the right answer is shoot. If question will ask high oxygen and low cytokinin ratio, then answer will be root. Then question number 7. The commonly used cytokinin in meristem culture is, the options are G18, NAA and BAP and 240. Here the right answer is BAP. BAP means 6 benzyl aminopurine. Then question number 8. A coconut milk in combination with gibberellic acid is highly suitable for the growth of, here the options are shoot apices, root tip, stem and leaf part. Here the right answer is shoot. In coconut milk is generally found cytokinin which combine with gibberellic acid suitable for shoot apices. Then question number 9. A vegetative propagation of whole part using tissue culture technique is called as. The options are micropropagation, somatic embryogenesis, then callus culture and protoplast culture. Here the right answer is micropropagation. This is the definition of micropropagation. Or then question number 10. An undifferentiated and highly proliferative mass of cell is defined as. Here the options are callus, primary explant, embryogenic tissue, none of the above. Here the right answer is callus. Then next question, question number 11. The small excised portion that are used to produce high mass of cell is called. This question and previous question little bit confusion, but here the right answer is, options are callus, explant, tissue and protuberancy. The right answer is explant. You have to read the question carefully, then answer it. Then question number 12. The callus culture is first demonstrated by. Here the options are Gouthret, Novacott, then Maheshwari, then Reinert. Here the right answer is Gouthret, who first demonstrated callus culture. Then question number 13. What is the first indication for formation of callus for outcome of cell? Here the options are cell division, cell elongation, cell expansion and cell stringent. Here the right answer is cell expansion. This one also little bit confusion, and cell elongation, cell expansion, but here in callus formation first cells are expanded, then shoot or root formation started. When we place the callus in a different culture, like in high cytokinin and low oxygen ratio, then shoot will be appear. If high oxygen and low cytokinin ratio, then root will be appear. Then question number 14. Which plant growth hormone is highly required for growth of cell? Here the options are gibberellin, auxin, cytokinin and ethylene. Here the right answer is auxin. Then next question, question number 15. Which plant growth hormone is highly required for cell division? Here the options are gibberellin, auxin, cytokinin and ethylene. Here the right answer is for cell division cytokinin, but cell elongation auxin or cell. Then question number 16. Callus is yellow in color due to the synthesis of which pigment? Here the options are carotenoid, anthocyanin, chlorophyll and phycocyanin. Here the right answer is yellow color, carotenoid pigment responsible for yellow color. Then next question number 17. A single cell or small aggregate of cell can be easily multiplied by. Here the options are micropropagation, organogenesis, callus culture, and or suspension culture. Here the right answer is from single cell. Right answer is suspension culture. Then question number 18. The production of ethylene is inhibited by specific antisense gene, namely. The options are glycophosphate, ACC synthetase, ACC synthase, and ACC synthetase, then lyase. Here the right answer is ACC synthase. Here the question number 19. Which one of the following is responsible for fruit ripening? Then here the options are glycophosphate, ACC synthase, and ACC synthetase, and polygalacturonidase. Here the right answer is option D, polygalacturonidase. Then next question. Which one of the following technique is used to produce flower of several variety of tomato? Here the options are RDNA technology, transgenesis, then anti-chase RNA technology, and rRNA technology. Here the right answer is anti-chase RNA technology. This question was very important for JRF and SRF point of view. Then if my videos are helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.